Today I wanted to highlight the AMTIFO rear view mirror and reverse camera. It's very easy to install. It simply plugs into a 12-volt outlet on your vehicle. Today I've got the camera set up in the rear view window of the truck. I don't have it installed on the back bumper yet, but I just wanted to show how it shows the backup guide lines. You can also adjust various options: brightness, tint, saturation. You can turn the drive lights off, the guide lights off if you want to. The resolution of this camera is very good. The camera itself installs very easily under the license plate on the rear of the vehicle. Oops. And wires into the lights on the truck itself. It has some connectors. It's very easy to install. I'm very pleased. The resolution of this camera is very good. I would easily recommend anyone purchase this camera. It's, like I said, easy installation, great resolution, and good features on it.
Hi, I'm doing this review on the vehicle backup camera. I needed it for an older model vehicle that don't have a backup camera, and I'm older, so I'm having a little bit trouble with being able to see everything that I need to see. Well, but it was pretty straightforward. 2 ways to connect with the wires, or the plug and play with the cigarette lighter. Everything was pretty straightforward. You plug it in, you mount it to the back of your vehicle. It's the power on and off. I'm powering it on. As I power it on, you can see that it's mounted to the back of my vehicle already. And it gives you the little lines to where you know, red, yellow, green. I thought it would have like some type of beeps, but again, all I wanted was for the backup anyway, just so I have visibility. And as you can see, it gives you a pretty good picture. So I recommend thus far, because it's gonna do exactly what I need it to. Thanks. Bye.
Thing was very easy to install. So 06 Trailblazer, so they didn't have backup cameras. So this is perfect for when I'm trying to back up to the garage and not run into it. With the option just to push button on and off instead of wiring it to the battery. That way I didn't have to worry about coming back to a dead battery. And there she goes. Perfecto.
Okay, I guess it's working.